It's fuzzy. Okay, so this is a kindling log splitter that you can mount to a post. Okay, so you can mount to a post or a tree, and you can improvise and even put it on your bumper of your trailer. Now, this does come with a set of gloves and a nice kindling bag that you can pack your kindling in. Okay, it works really good. You can wrap it up or use Velcro to go to a handle, and it's all good. But I wouldn't use much more than probably a 1 foot or even 13-inch piece of wood. All right, let's do a demo. Okay, so when you're splitting this, okay, make sure you got no knots in it and stuff like that. Make sure you got your ratchet straps on real tight so it just doesn't come up and down. And when you get it up here, make sure that you can get a good at a 90 degree there, right about there, so you can get a good bite on it. So if you get too big of a log, then you got to go back too far and it'll slide up here to this corner and it won't split. Okay, so you want to get it to here and you want to split it like that, right? And then you get something like that. Okay, so you just keep going, find your spot, and that's what you want. Okay, then you just keep going, and then when you get to a spot like that, you can just make them smaller if you want, right? So now you got pieces like this. Okay, so you can just take your corners off, all your corners. Okay, I'll tell you what, this thing is very sharp. So this does come with a safety ring. When you do put the safety ring on, you have to put it on a post or something and put some spacers in behind here when you screw it on. Okay, so just remember that. And yeah, works really good. So just make sure you haven't got too big of a piece in there and you're all good. That's my review. Thanks for coming.